Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to be making a very juicy, tender and tasty oven grilled chicken. You guys requested for this video, so here it is. This is always my go-to oven grilled chicken and it always comes out very tasty and so juicy, as you can see here. So if you're interested to see how I made this chicken, then keep watching. So first of all, I'm going to start off by preheating my oven. I'm going to turn it on to 220 degrees Celsius or centigrade, and I'm going to also turn on the up and down burner. Yeah, my oven has that setting. That means my chicken is going to grill properly both from the top and from the under. So this is my chicken. I'm using soft chicken and I've already washed the chicken. So right now I'm just patting it dry with a paper towel, so to make sure there is no moisture on the chicken. Now after that, I'm going to cut off the parts I don't need from the chicken, just like the butt and the part that has hairs in it. And then I'm going to cut some lines across the chicken, just 2 lines, and this is going to help the marinade to penetrate evenly and to also grill properly in the oven. I'm also taking out the fat. As you can see, this is the fat, so make sure to cut off the parts you don't like in the chicken. Alright, once I'm done cutting the chicken, I'm going to start making the marinade. And here I've got half sliced onion, which I've chopped into tiny pieces as you just saw now, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. If you want, you can use fresh garlic, but this is the one I have now. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of aromat. You can add seasoning cubes if that's what you have. I will also be adding 1 tablespoon of paprika powder. I'm also going to add half tablespoon of curry powder. Then I'm going to be adding this soy sauce. It's called Kikkoman, so I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of that. So guys, basically if you are making a large quantity of chicken, you might want to use more of the ingredients. Okay, after that I'll be adding a 1/4 cup of olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, yeah, just use any oil of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of black pepper, and also I'm going to be adding this sriracha sauce. Usually I don't always add this sauce, but today I decided to add it to see how the taste will come out. And guys, it was so tasty. Like, I think the sriracha sauce added its own flavor to the chicken and it was so tasty. If you have it, just make sure to add it. Okay, and also I threw in some fresh thyme. And now I'm going to be adding water bit by bit, just to loosen the marinade because it's very thick. So I'm adding water, just a little bit of water. You don't need too much, and this is exactly the consistency you should be aiming at. So now I'm just tasting it to see if I need to add any more thing, and it was perfect. All right, so here is my baking pan. I'm just going to line it up with a parchment paper. Well, I don't also used to add this, but I don't know what came over me today. I just decided to use the parchment paper. It's all about trying new things, right? So now I'm just taking the chicken one after the other, dipping it in the marinade and making sure make sure you coat the chicken well with the marinade, and don't forget the parts we cut open. Just make sure you stuff in that goodness inside the chicken and then put it in the baking pan. Now this is an instant oven grilled chicken. But if you want it to be even more tastier, you can just marinate it overnight. Just mix everything, cover it and put it in your fridge, and then grill it the next day. It tastes even more better. Okay, the longer it stays, the better it tastes. All right, after putting all the marinade on the chicken, as you saw now, I just cleared the bowl, nothing left. Okay, make sure you don't waste any of that goodness. Now I put it in the preheated oven to grill for 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes of grilling, I brought the chicken out and put it back, like turn it around to the other side so it can grill properly. If your oven does not have the up and down burner, you can flip the chicken itself so that the under can cook evenly, but mine has the up and down burner, so I don't need to go through that process. I only need to turn the pan around so it can cook properly. So I put it back and let it grill for another 20 minutes, and that is it, guys. Nothing more. It is so easy and simple to make. You guys, you need to try this particular recipe and this will be your go-to oven grilled chicken, I'm telling you. So as for the juice, the chicken stock, I used it to cook jollof rice. I did not pour it away. Okay, so you can use it to cook stuffs like stews and jollof rice or spaghetti, pasta, whatever you want to cook it with. And my jollof rice was super tasty, guys. I'm serious here. Look at my chicken, super soft, juicy and succulent. Oh my goodness. So I paired it with some jollof rice and some vegetable salad. So that is it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and do make sure to share this video with your friends and families. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.